guys, I'm Maris and I'm based in Paris, and yeah, I know that rhymes, right? And I want to offer my courses in fashion design, pattern drafting, and sewing. I worked for 8 years as a fashion design lecturer, and also as a sewing teacher in Paris, and also I've taught different production-based subjects like pattern drafting, draping, and also computer graphics. And so if you are a fashion student or would like to make your own clothes, I would gladly help you with that, and you can check out my description below. Following this clip, I would be showing some samples of my work and some of my actual online demo. Thank you.
And there are some stitches here, like this one, a bit decorative one, but this one I particularly Okay, so this is the grain line. If we have a pattern, like for example this one, okay, this one, the grain line should be parallel to here. Okay, so